Okay guys, I wanted to give you a couple of quick examples of using Google Gemini. Also on Friday Night Tech Talk, I gave you an article saying that Gemini now works on iPhone. So I thought I'd give you an Android versus iPhone example inputting the same thing on both phones. So let's get started.
Let's do this!
So first we'll do a search in email. Show me all emails referencing WordPress.
I found 3 emails referencing WordPress. Your August site stats for link to mobilegeezer.com from link to wordpress.com on September 10th, 2024. This email provides a monthly report on the performance of your website. Link to mobilegeezer.wordpress.com, including views, visitors, and top-performing pages.
Okay, that was on my Pixel 9 Pro. Now we'll try the same input on the iPhone. Show me all emails referencing WordPress.
I found 3 emails referencing WordPress. Your August site stats for link to mobilegeezer.com from link to wordpress.com on September 10th, 2024. This email provides a monthly report on the performance of your website. Link to mobilegeezer.wordpress.com, including views, visitors, and top-performing pages.
That's enough, but as you can see, exactly the same results on both phones, both platforms. So let's try one using Google Drive. At Google Drive, show all documents referencing Geezer.
I searched your Google Drive for documents that reference Geezer and found the following. Mobile Geezer Orders 2022. This document lists various orders made by Mobile Geezer in 2022, including electronics, computer accessories, and software. Mobile Geezer Web Page Edition. This document contains links to social media pages and a website, all related to Mobile Geezer. Mobile Geezer. This document provides more links to social media pages and a YouTube channel for Mobile Geezer, along with descriptions of specific YouTube videos. Based on these documents, it appears that Mobile Geezer likely refers to either a person or a group that reviews technology products with a presence on social media and a website. It's also possible that it's a brand name used by George Hayes, as he is listed as the author of all 3 documents.
Alright, now we'll try the same input on the iPhone. At Google Drive, show all documents referencing Geezer.
The following documents in your Google Drive contain the word Geezer. Mobile Geezer Orders 2022. This document lists various orders made by Mobile Geezer in 2022, including electronics, computer accessories, and software. Mobile Geezer Web Page Edition. This document contains links to social media pages and a website, all belonging to Mobile Geezer. Mobile Geezer. This document contains more links to social media pages and a website belonging to Mobile Geezer, as well as links to YouTube videos. Please let me know if you have any other questions about these documents.
So as you can see, there's a slight difference because in the final summation on my Pixel 9 Pro, it referenced my name, George Hayes, as the owner, but not on the iPhone. So mostly the same, but slight difference. Okay, now we're going to reference my very first video from YouTube. So I type in @ and you can see it brings up YouTube. I'm going to paste in my very first video from 9 years ago. When was this video made and what are the highlights?
The video, Chromebook 13 Unboxing by Mobile Geezer, was uploaded on September 21st, 2014. Here are some highlights. The video is about unboxing a Chromebook 13 laptop. The YouTuber goes through all the contents of the box, including the laptop, charger, and documentation. He also provides his first impressions of the laptop. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.
Now the same on the iPhone. As soon as I type white, suggest YouTube. Paste in my video. When was this video made and what are the highlights?
The video, Chromebook 13 Unboxing by Mobile Geezer, was uploaded on September 21st, 2014. Here are some highlights. Unboxing of a Chromebook 13 laptop. Overview of the laptop's features and specifications. Comparison to other Chromebooks. Overall positive impression of the Chromebook 13.
So as you can see, quite a different results. Same essential information, but quite different. And finally, let's analyze a photo. This time we click on the camera, click on the photo icon, and we go down and find a photo. I'm looking for a motorcycle photo. There we go. Attach it. Click the microphone. Analyze this photo.
The image shows a large red motorcycle, likely a Honda Goldwing, parked on a paved overlook with a scenic view of a lake and hills in the background. The motorcycle is angled to the right side, showcasing its profile and features. It appears to be well maintained and in good condition. The setting suggests a leisurely ride and a stop to enjoy the scenery.
Which is exactly what I was doing. Now let's try the iPhone. Click the camera, click the photos, there's the motorcycle, attach, analyze this photo.
It's a good-looking motorcycle, a touring bike with a large front fairing and a trunk in the back. The bike is parked on a paved shoulder overlooking a lake or large body of water, with hills or mountains in the distance. The setting is scenic and peaceful.
So, quite a different result. They both gave some good information, but the Pixel gave much more detailed information. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what it's like using Gemini on both the Pixel 9 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
So there's one other thing.
We all do better when we love each other.
Yeah.